Hi, this is Brett with Bloomington Precision Sharpening. I get asked quite a bit how to maintain my knife in between sharpenings. So, my personal recommendation is the strop, but you could also use the traditional butcher steel. This one is a diamond impregnated steel, and then this is a ceramic rod that they sell for honing knives. They all work on basically the same principle. Um, you are refreshing the edge of your knife. Um, the the steel, the ceramic, the diamond, they will all remove a little bit of metal, um, which is why the strop is my favorite. It does more of a polishing. So I've impregnated this one with a little 3 micron diamond compound. It's a little spray that I use. I also use a green polishing compound sometimes. Here's some blue polishing compound. You can get this from a jewelry supply store. Um, you can order them on Amazon. Things like that. But they all work basically the same principle. The polishing compounds have a small amount of an abrasive in there. They're going to act like a super fine sandpaper, and all you need to do is put your put your knife on there. Just raise that angle up just a little bit. You don't want to go very far. I usually recommend about 2/4 thicknesses. You know, if you imagine 2/4 under there, under that edge, that's about how far you want to lift it. And then you just pull it across nice and easy all the way to the tip. You don't need to go fast. And I like to do this at, every few times I use the knife. Um, and this will keep your edge nice and clean and sharp for a lot longer than in between sharpenings. Eventually, you will need to bring up fresh metal, um, which is when you come to me and I'll sharpen them for you. But a diamond steel and a butcher steel work the same way. You're just going to lift that angle up just a little bit, just a little bit, and then just draw it across. Again, all these work the same uh, by keeping your edge nice and clean. Now the diamond is probably the most aggressive, and it does remove metal, um, which is why I don't necessarily recommend it. Um, and the butcher steel, again, it will remove metal. It is abrasive. I do not recommend steel anything but a strop on a Japanese style knife. Japanese knives have a much higher Rockwell hardness, so you can very easily chip them on a steel like this. Um, Same works the same way. I know we've all seen the chefs on TV hacking at them really fast. It's really hard to maintain your angles if you're going very fast. So go slow. I recommend pulling it across instead of going into the edge, which is what you see a lot of times with um, on TV or movies or things like that. You can, but it's a lot easier if you just pull the edge across. It doesn't take a lot. You don't need to put any pressure on it. Um, Diamond stick is the same way. If you've got a large one, you can use it like a steel. If you've got a small one, you just take that angle and just do that on both sides. All right. I hope this helps you maintain your knife in between sharpenings. And thanks a lot for watching. Brett with Bloomington Precision Sharpening. Have a great day.